are you, my friends? This is the first question in the new playlist called Pre-Calculus Challenging Questions. The question is, we have this figure here, two right triangles. We have angle 60 there, angle 45 degrees. All this side is 10, and we need to find the value of the x, this side here. You can have a chance to try it, please, and then you can look at the solution if you are ready. Let's see, given the figure here, I can label first the vertices to make it easy, A, B, C, and D. Then I will let the length of side CD, this one here from C to D, let's call it M, small m. And since this is 45 degrees, then this angle here is 45 degrees. That means this triangle ACD is isosceles triangle. So this is CD is equal to M. Also, AC is equal to M. Now, given BD, all this is 10. So this one here, BC is 10 minus M. So now we have side BC is 10 minus M. Let's use the triangle ABC, this one, ABC. So we can take here tan of 60. Tan of 60 will be the opposite over the adjacent. The opposite is M divided by 10 minus M. We know tan 60 is square root of 3, so I can replace that one there, is equal M divided by 10 minus M. Let's cross multiply here to find the value of M. You can do that on the next slide, please. So we have square root of 3 is equal M divided by 10 minus M. Cross multiply, we get here 10 square root of 3 minus M square root of 3 is equal to M. Let's put all the terms with M on one side. So move this one, M square root of 3. Take M, he's a common factor. So M in the bracket, square root of 3 plus 1. And let's divide by square root of 3 plus 1. So this is the value of M. 10 square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 plus 1. It's a nice idea here to rationalize the denominator. So we'll multiply by the conjugate, square root of 3 minus 1. Down here in the denominator, we use difference between two squares. So that will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. And this one, I leave this 10 square root of 3 in the bracket, square root of 3 minus 1, because I need to cancel with the 10 here. So 2 divide by 2 will be 5 here. You see 5 square root of 3. Now we multiply. Remember, 5 square root of 3 times square root of 3, that will be 15. And we have 5 square root of 3 times the 1 with the minus there. So that's minus 5 square root of 3. This is the value of M. Now let's use the triangle ACD, this one here on the right side, ACD, to find the value of X. Let's continue on the next slide. So we have M already found, 15 minus 5 square root of 3. We use this triangle here, ACD. Sine 45 will be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So this is the opposite M over the hypotenuse is X. Sine 45, we can write it in two ways. We can write sine 45 degrees as square root of 2 over 2 or 1 over square root of 2, because this is the same value here. So I will use the easy one here. Sine 45 degrees, 1 over square root of 2. Cross multiply, so we get X equals square root of 2 times the M. The M is there up here, 15 minus 5 square root of 3. So let's multiply. So X will be 15 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 6 is the value for X. Now for more questions on right triangles, please, you can visit two playlists. Pre-calculus old exams questions, trigonometry of right triangles, or you can see pre-calculus course, lecture number 11. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another pre-calculus challenging question. Thank you for listening.